As I've got a little older over the past 20 years, I've found that I've had to wear glasses to see clearly. Fortunately, somebody started producing cheap reading glasses, and they work perfectly. But now I find that I need 150 strength glasses to see clearly at a distance, and 300 strength lenses for reading, and I have to keep changing glasses, and of course the right pair is never close at hand, and I have to go searching for them, which makes me very irritable. It's sort of like the remote on a TV. It should be on the couch, but sometimes it's just gone. I knew I needed bifocals, but bifocals are very expensive. I don't mind buying bifocals, but I'm always breaking them by sitting or kneeling on them. Sometimes I lose them, and invariably they get scratched at some stage, and then I have to spend another load of cash to repair them or to buy a new pair. I had a light bulb moment a few months ago and decided to put two 150 strength lenses together, and voila, I could see clearly for reading. But the distance vision was terrible until I took one of the lenses away, and then it was perfect. So I needed 300 for reading and 150 for distance vision. I found a pharmacy that was selling two identical pairs of readers for 120 Rand, which is very cheap. It's about $8, and that's for both pairs of glasses. The lenses and frames were made of plastic. They were perfect, so I bought them and cut the bottom of the lens off the one pair and stuck them onto the bottom of the other pair. I didn't know how to make the cut, so I used my angle grinder to cut the bottom of the lenses of the first pair, possibly a little bit of overkill there. This did the job quite well though, but I'm sure someone can come up with a better idea, so please let us know in the comments section below. I smoothed the edge off with some sandpaper to get it straight and smooth, and that worked very well. I stuck the one lens onto the other by putting a little dab of model aeroplane plastic glue that I had in my toolbox at each end of the lens. I imagine that any plastic glue or even super glue will work. No one seems to notice, or perhaps they're just too polite to say anything, but at least I can watch television and read something at the same time without having to get up and go and look for the other pair of glasses. If you've learned something new today, then give this video a like and share it with a friend. But don't go anywhere just yet. There are loads of other videos on this channel for you to enjoy. All you have to do is pick the left or the right video and click on it and enjoy.